Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. Today we have an Amazon unboxing, and this is not just an ordinary Amazon unboxing because this is a present. Yes, it's come all the way from Diamond Paints with TM. She sent me a £10 gift card, and I managed to have a little browse around Amazon. Couldn't find the Panda from Art Dot. It seems to be out of stock at the moment. So I came across this, which was a recommendation. So yeah, huge thanks to Diamond Paints with TM for the Amazon gift card. That is very, very much appreciated. And you get to see what I've bought with you. I can't get it out. Bought with you today. So yeah, very, very excited. So this is a really sunny one and it's so cute. I think it's like $3.99, so I got a bit left over, and I bought that you know, the new blue raspberry like Lucasade. Oh my god, like if you've never had the blue one, you so need to try it. It was really, really nice. And in here we have, can you guess what it might be? It's a sunflower. But we have a lovely butterfly, but this is not an ordinary sunflower or a butterfly because we've got a pair of eyeballs. Yes. So we have a very, very cute one here. It is a 30 times 40, and I'm actually wasn't sure if I'd get this done today because the sunlight's going, but I can just about catch the sun before we lose it. So yeah, in here we have a beautiful one. Oh, this is so funny. Look at this, guys. Oh my days, look how cute that is. If you've ever watched the Teletubbies, it so reminds me of, you know, the Teletubbies Sun, where the baby's face is in it. When I was a kid growing up, I used to watch that program, Teletubbies, and you had a baby's face in the sun. And when I saw this, that just so reminded me of that. So we've got the little face in the sunflower, and then the cute little bee. So cute. It's not a bee, it's a butterfly. Why am I calling it a bee? It's a cute little butterfly. It does look as if it's like the Red Admiral. I think it's the Red Admiral or the Peacock. One of them is red and black, and I'm sure it's that one. But this is just so cute. It's like the sunflowers woken up from the leaves, because in Egypt, with the cactuses, they let their flowers out. And then in the evening, I don't know if it's morning or evening, but one of the two, during the day they sort of don't come out, and then in the evening they come out. But I just love the fact that this sunflower, it looks like it's just brightened and opened for the morning, and this little butterfly has come to say hello to the little sunflower. And we've got a few like baby ones around here, but I just could not say no to this. It was just such an unusual diamond painting. And what's really nice about this, although it's an animal painting, I've actually got a little bit of a flower incorporated with it, but for the first time ever, we've actually got a face in the sunflower, which I've never done before. So yeah, so this is 21 colours. It's a 30 times 30. It's come out absolutely beautifully. Look at that. Wow, the stick is superb on that. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. This is going to be so lovely to do. I mean, the print is fantastic. Now, I got really excited there thinking there's bags. There's no bags. I need bags, people. Please. I need bags. I can't do any decatting without them. Like, it's weird, isn't it? Like, we get rid of them thinking we won't use them, and then all of a sudden I need this surge of bags. But we've got our cellophane bag. I can use this one. For that, so we'll put that over to one side, and these are our packets of drills, so we'll get these out for you. Yeah, the best bit about Amazon is if you've got Amazon Prime membership, you can actually get it the next day, and same day in some areas. They do have same day delivery. Used to be free, but now you've got to pay $1.99 extra, even though you're a Prime member. Big con, I know, but there you go. But that is Amazon for you. But anyway, we have ourselves a beautiful purple. We've got a dark grey, a sort of lighter grey. We've got an orange there. And we've got ourselves a sort of mild purple there. A sort of dark sort of orangey colour. A yellow. We've got a pale yellow there. Lovely sort of sandy beach colour there. Couple of oranges. We've got a dark and then a light one. And then I think that's a little bit lighter. Then we've got ourselves Apologies about that. My bloody phone ran out of storage again. So as you can see, as we'll pick up from where we left off here, we got the, I think it's like a burgundy colour, that gorgeous Science Mint with a sort of blue ones got caught in there. And we've got a brownie terracotta sort of colour, another one of them sort of burgundy colours, another mint, we've got a yellow, and we've got a pale orange with a 3865 at the end. So people, if you want to get this for yourself, it's absolutely gorgeous. Get on Amazon and get it for yourself. It's about $3.99. I've got it on the spring deal that they're doing at the moment. Because throughout March they had like a spring deal. I think they've extended it slightly. Because it still seems to be there at the moment. But yeah, it's just so fascinating, isn't it? Like when you're shopping on Amazon for a specific diamond painting, you add it to the basket, and then there's more that come up as like recommendations, and you're like, oh my god, I've got to have it, please quick add it. But yeah, I just found this so funny. So like, such a weird one, isn't it? It's so like, you wouldn't expect to get a painting with a face of a like a face in a sunflower. So it's in some respects, I suppose it's like big Bill and Ben. Oh my god! In some respects, it's like Bill and Ben the Flower Pot Men. If you ever watched that many years ago, it was like a really sort of, it's like these two pots, and then in the middle you would have this flower. But the Bill and Ben were actually like sort of like dolls, if you like, in a plant pot. It was, yeah, going back yonks and yonks ago. Absolutely decades that. But yeah, so a couple of films there that it reminds me of, but it's just such an unusual one, isn't it? But anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you want to get this for yourself, the link's in the description of the video. And yeah, I highly recommend it. It's so lovely and crystal and clear, and it just brightens up your day with all that yellow and the sunshine. And, you know, if you're having sort of like a bit of a down day and you're fed up, just get yourself one of these